Okay, now we'll be starting with code related to calculate the loan interest and the amount to be paid. So first we will declare a function called as interest calc. So this will be my function name. In this I'll be having three arguments. P, which will be for principal, R for rate, and T is for time. Okay. Then we will be putting the calculation what we need to calculate. So I need to calculate amount, which will be principal plus principal into rate into time divided by 100. And what I need to return? I need to return the EMT amount. Okay. So for that, I need to take the input from the user. So my Toby will ask the user what they need to input. So first, sprite dot input, enter the principal amount. Second, sprite we use the principal amount would be stored. So P will be getting stored. Whatever the user will give the input, and it would be in the float. That's the data type. Sprite dot answer. Same way I will take the input for the interest. So sprite dot input, and then I specify enter interest rate that will be getting stored in rate. R is equal to float sprite dot answer, and then again I will take the input where I will ask for the time or the duration the user wants to get the loan amount to be paid. So enter the time, and then this will be stored in P. P is equal to float sprite dot answer. So after doing this calculation, this getting the input, the computer will directly take this and print the result. So sprite dot save. It will save the final amount. It will call the function. So it will say the amount is plus, that is the appending the content. So I'm calling my function and converting into a string. It is the function name is interest calc, and inside this I'm passing the argument p, comma r, comma t, and then t. So this will be my coding for calculating the simple interest. Let us run the code and check the output. It's loading. Okay. So enter the principal amount. Let's say that's 5,000, and the interest rate is 7.5. Enter the time, how much time I want is in years, whatever it is. So let's say 4 years. The amount is 6500. Okay. This is the method or this is the code for getting the simple interest.